Alright, so we're back. Finished my phone call, and this is nice and lubed up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off my finger there, and we're gonna get a little bit of oil, and we're gonna pour a little bit of oil here in. Alright, so we got a little bit of oil. Let the filter take it in, let it absorb, spin it around a little bit, and then my Mobil 1. Alright, so we got that done. We got it lubed, it's ready to go back in. The old oil filter will go into the box of the new one. I'll go ahead and close that. Don't need that no more. Put that to the side. Alright, so we're ready to install this back on. But I need to go get me a soda, so give me a second. Alright, so I got my soda. Alright, we'll go ahead and put that down. And we'll put the new oil filter back on. I'm gonna screw it onto here. There you go. You don't have to tighten it with anything, just tighten it by hand. Alright. That's as tight as I'm going to get it by hand. Alright guys, so we're done taking out the old oil. Now, time to put in the new oil. Got a little spigot right here. Go ahead and put this here. And looks like this one's too short, so I'm going to need to hold it. Alright, so I'm going to have to do this with two hands, guys. So just to let you know, pretty much you use that, you put that in there, and we're going to use 2 quarts of oil. So yeah, we're going to use 2 quarts of oil. We're going to put that into the bike. We're going to start the bike, run the bike, let it run for about another 5 minutes, and then after we run it, then we'll go ahead and stand the bike up. Make sure you guys have the bike stood up and not on the jack stand, because you need to look into this sight glass right here, and the level needs to be right in the middle of the sight glass. So after you run the bike and all the fluids go through, you might need to put a little bit more oil. So make sure you have the bike stood up, you check the sight glass. If it's not halfway, put a little bit more oil. Alright, I'm going to pause the video for now. Alright guys, so I just have this sitting in there. It's already been filled up. I got 2 quarts filled up. I'm going to go ahead and take out the aluminum foil. There's no point in having that anymore there. And I'm going to remove this, put the top back on, start the bike, let it run for about 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and get this aluminum foil out of here. Alright, that's out. Oil pan, let's move it out of the way. We got the filter. Oh, we got to clean up a little bit there. Alright, clean up a little bit right here. You see, the exhaust is not full of oil now. And your shit's not going to be fucking burning oil, smelling. Alright, so now that we have that done, we'll go ahead and remove this. We'll set this down. Where's my top? There it is. Alright, we'll put the top back on. Shit. Alright, there we go. Alright, top is back on. As you can see, the glass still does not show full yet. But we're going to go ahead and run the bike. Oh, wait. We need to take a break first. We need a soda break. Alright. Let's go ahead and run the bike. Once again, 740 miles. And we'll let the bike run. Guys, make sure you come in and you check that there's no leaks anywhere. No leak from there. No leak from there. Everything looks good. All right, now let the bike run for about 5 minutes. All right guys, so I don't know if you can see it, but a little bit of oil had leaked on the exhaust there, ever so slightly, and you can see that smoke. You see that smoke there coming out? So that's what happens when you guys let the oil drip all over the exhaust. It'll start getting smoky and it'll smell real bad. So that's just a little slight bit of oil that you see there that's burning off. That's fine, that's no big deal. But good thing I use the aluminum foil, because if I didn't, there'll be a lot more smoke and a lot more smell. So pay attention to that, guys. All right, as you can see, I went ahead and removed this off the bike. I now have the bike on the jack stand. We're gonna turn it off. And let's go take a look at the sight glass. Okay, so remember, while it's on the jack stand, the sight glass is not going to show or indicate anything. But once we pick up the bike and we stand it up, we should see oil in the glass, and I'm not seeing any oil. So you saw that there, and I'm tipping it over towards me, so this obviously needs more oil. We're gonna have to put a little bit of the other quart here. Let me pause this for now. Alright, so I ended up having to pour about half of the 3rd quart, and the bike is leaning right now, so look at the glass indicator. We're gonna go ahead and pick up the bike, stand it up, and you can see the oil is right at halfway where it's supposed to be. Got a little bit of wind here pushing the bike towards me, but it's right in the middle there, right when the bike is standing up, so it's exactly where it needs to be. And guys, we're pretty much done. All I gotta do is put the top back on, put the panel back on. I'm gonna wash the bike and put some extra things on, but those are more different YouTube videos that are coming up. So hope you guys enjoyed, and see you later.